The latest departure in Chicago Fire Season 12 robs the show of the opportunity to introduce new leads after Severide and Casey. Change is constant in One Chicago, with rotating cast members to keep the show fresh and interesting. The friendship between Gibson and Carver had the potential to surpass Severide and Casey because of their dynamic's origins. But Rome Flynn's unexpected exit jeopardizes that opportunity. Losing Casey means Severide no longer has his best friend around, and their friendship was one of the primary dynamics in the first 10 seasons of the show. Gibson and Carver could have been better replacements for Severide and Casey if their friendship had been fully developed from scratch, allowing for a more compelling dynamic. Additionally, Gibson's character could have provided a different storytelling perspective and expanded representation on the show. However, the unexpected departure of the actor wastes that opportunity. Currently, Gibson is set to be replaced by Jack Damon in Chicago Fire Season 12.